Okay, in this lesson, I'm going to talk to you guys about the testing methodologies. These are not to be confused with the SDLC methodologies that we went over, the Agile, Kanban, Waterfall, all those methods. This is just about testing. So we have manual versus automated. Manual basically means the testers execute test cases by hand without using any automation tools. So you follow the test scenarios and the test scripts and you validate the application checking for bugs or defects all by hand, meaning you do everything on the website. You log in, you check around, you type. Basically, you use the mouse, the keyboard, and you do everything manually. And the process is the tester interacts with the application like an end user, exploring features, you find defects, and you report the issues based on the behavior. Now, automation, this uses special tools or scripts to automatically execute the test. They are run, well, without human intervention, and as in you click play on the script that's already written, and then the computer does the rest. So the way this is done is, let's say you write a test script on a login page. You type the email, the password, and then you click login. Well, in the automation process, let's say you're using Selenium. There's a little record button. You click record, and then you type the email, you type the password, then you click login, and then you click stop on the recording. Now, the difference is this gets saved as a script. So let's say somebody else comes and wants to test the same thing. All they have to do is find that script, click play, and you will see the computer do that by itself, like without you touching the mouse or the keyboard. You're gonna see the website open. You're gonna see the email getting pre-filled, and you're gonna see the password getting filled, and the login button is gonna do it all by itself. So usually the scripts are written in like Java, Python, or other testing tools like Selenium, QTP, Test Complete. There's Cucumber. There's also other tools, but basically it's just a different method of testing. You can do both manual or automated testing for all the types of testing. Like you can do functional testing and then either choose versus manual or automation. You can do performance testing, and then you choose whether you do performance manual or performance automated. So it's just a faster way to do things. It's very good for repetitive tasks and for things that would take a long time, like creating a user. Let's say your boss says, you have to create me 100 new users for this website. That's when you got to use automation. It's just much faster. Now, here we go with some examples on when to use. Manual, use it when you need more flexibility, human judgment, or you're testing new complex or changing features. It's ideal for small scale testing or tasks that can't be easily automated. Automation, use it when the tests are repetitive, when you need to be run frequently or part of large test suites, like regression or load testing. Yep. It's great for large scale projects where efficiency, accuracy, and speed are crucial. In many projects, both manual and automated testing are used together. Yes, I have found that this is to be true. And if you don't code, don't worry about it. Manual testers are still out there, we're still pretty common. What I've seen in the past is a lot of companies will hire a manual tester alongside hiring a tester that knows how to do automation. So basically, it's just another skill under your belt. If you like to code, I would say go ahead and learn how to do automation testing.